Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live.
Alright, good morning and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is Independence Day here in Jamaica, August the 6th. That's the day that we gained freedom from the British rule. So I think to myself, wake up this morning, I'm thinking to myself, what would be a better way to start off Independence Day than with a real Jamaican style breakfast? So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna set up a fireside and I'm gonna cook some real mackerel rundown. At the first, I'm gonna try it, hopefully it turn out good. So yeah man, banana deal with already. Yeah man, see it there? Flour to go with the yam and banana. This is today's victim. Yeah man, I'm this. Yeah man, so the salt mackerel well boil out and mince up ready for the pot. You see it? Nice coconut milk. What we make from real coconut. Great on my coconut and I'm a juice it. Real coconut. Look like a time we put in my dumpling now. You see it? And the other how we put in the food them now. No make sense. Do people no bash me. See it there? A touch. I beg you, do not laugh for me. My mother show me, my father show me, my auntie them show me, but for some strange reason I just can't make dumpling. So now the food done. What I have to do now is just catch up at the fire, just run through the rundown and that's it. What do you know, I know say, me as a man I use whole heap of seasoning. Just cover this up now, make this go on, you know, marinate and thing and yes, steaming. Right now I'm going to put in the salt mackerel and thing. You see it, I make them go on fry together. I got show rich coconut milk. First time I make hot dog, you know. Hopefully it turned out good. Let's go. Oh yes, such a no. A touch. A touch. A touch. Check this, look what I go on. So the good thing them start going there. Things start bubble up and thing, you know. Vibe. Mad, so meanwhile that I go and cook, me need for sure now. This lens I'm using. You might realize that the frame kinda a bit wider now. When I go Pelican Bar and I watch the video, I realize that the camera did just always close to my face. Some say, how can I get a wider range, a wider field of view to capture more in the frame from the phone camera? So that brought me to Amazon and I picked up this little lens kit set. I did a review and test when I no post, but no worry, because I gonna start use them more often on the channel, so you don't have to worry about that. You will get to see what each lens is capable of doing. Alright, so you have 2x lens, a 120 wide angle lens, so I use now we get a wider frame, a fisheye lens, and then a 20x macro. So I already used the 20x macro in this video already. The beginning of the video when you see me go close to the ants them and thing. If I was to use the regular phone camera, it could have picked them up good, but the 20x macro get to give you details of such small things. So yeah, I'm gonna use them, and oh yeah, I forget about the mic. I bought the mic so you might realize that the audio quality is a bit better. So let me plug out this. Let me see, probably hear the difference with the audio quality. Plug it in back now. Man, so the mic plugged back in now, so you don't know if it make no difference. Yeah man, fire blaze it up man. Can't so turn it off. Look, fire still a kick. See it now. I'm wanting to say finished product, you know. Yeah man. It's a vibe man. It's a vibe. Yo, this smells so good. So good. Go digging it right away. Real Jamaican style rundown. See it? It's a nice vibe. Oh gosh man. Nice coconut water. Wash off my heart. So I just done the second round. I just done round 2. Put that this up. Alright, so I'm actually heading over to my auntie now to spend the afternoon. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, hit notification, so as soon as I make the next post, you will be able to get it, yeah? My rundown actually turned out good, yeah? Oh, I forget, I actually started doing some digital art recently. So, one lucky subscriber, I go do a digital art piece for them. So, just hit me up with a picture yourself on any of the platforms, like the Facebook at LaMaNDi, Instagram _man_day, or you can just email me at labubeck@gmail.com with a picture. Once you're subscribed and I like the pic, I just do a digital art piece of in fiancé video. For the new people then, ensure that you subscribe, and for the persons that have been here and continue to come back, the clan, thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.